triggered function or calling function. Now, in this part is, as you can see, when we pick this, it will show a button here where you can click it when you play here. And how this works is by choosing any instrument that you want. Is, say you want this, let's say we want this, and say, let's say we want to this, okay. And when it click here, it will be played at the next measure. Let's say, what is the next measure? Okay, the next measure is, let's say the first measure is this number one, the next measure is number two, and simultaneously, that's how the next measure works. And the next bit is by the instrument that is playing, it will play at the next bit that it played. Let's say it played a bit of drums, at the next bit of the drums played, it will play the instrument. But in this part will play it immediately. Immediately is a part where when you click it, it will play immediately, it will input the instrument that you put inside or connect with it. Say let's just some more. As you can see, as can you see, since we made it played immediately when triggered, it overlaid the music or the instrumental already playing, making it twice play more or thrice whenever you click the button. Let's say you want the instrument connected with the trigger function play together. All you need to do is take the play together function and get another this trigger function. This time you need to change the name, or let's say the number when to call it. Same to, because when you don't change it will only show one, making it play them together. So since we want to play another music, we only need to make it this play together here and choose instrumental buttons. Say we want that, then play. When I click the buttons, the instrument that we choose or connect with the trigger function will be played, making it more easier whenever you want to sing to that song that or you want to add a song. And that's kind of exciting whenever it now or later. So this trigger function will help you visualize it. it more clearly. And as you can see, when you click the number 2 button, it played at the second measure even if you played it at the middle part. Only play the second measure. Unlike the immediately, whenever you click it, whenever the song is playing, immediately put the instrument. Now, I hope you learn something and understand how the trigger function works when being called and how can you maneuver through it